The strong tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in the Dominica. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description, and open the description in my video and click on eSIM link and Wi-Fi and open this web page. Right, wi-fi.com, and click on this and click on this. Open new page, settings, eSIM high speed, 4G, 5G data, no download or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. This is very good. Right, choose data type. I am select unlimited data and fixed data. Select unlimited data. Choose a speed plan, light or plus. I am recommend plus. This is very speed good. And select days. I am select 30 days. This very good price, right? And solely select amount eSIM 1 and buy it now. Open this page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. ROAM tips coupon discount code in the description and click on apply. Alright, yes, yeah, very good. Order discount ROAM tip $30, $29.40. Right, this is very good. And click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write contact email and payment data, right, and billing address. Select your country and write this and click on Pay Now. Open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address QR code and scan this QR code and open settings automatically your phone and install eSIM install eSIM your phone, and eSIM is work. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me.